Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price forecast. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video after the daily candle finished, and as you see it here, what it giving us? It gave us here a nice pin bar indicating the market maybe from here we're going to see another drop, guys. Because as you see it, that level we couldn't even break it, so that one is something bad, guys. But if you remember, guys, here what happened here in that place here, what happened? That one here, that red one is the Monday candle, guys, and that one here is Monday candle, guys. Yes or no? Yes, it came the volume of it the same like that one here. Look at it, they are the same height, guys. Now what should we do? We need to wait in tomorrow candle, guys, or today candle. After Monday, Tuesday candle is going to confirm for us either we are going to go higher or we're going to fall down, guys. And also we give you all the scenarios, guys. We give you everything in our analysis. Also here, what also we said, for long term it's need the Bitcoin to come to break here. Yes or no? And people that trade in the stock market, all the stocks market today, they are very down, guys. So as we said, guys, we need a candle to come to break here or a candle to come to break here. Picture is very simple. So here in the daily, also we still sideways, and I tell it to you when we used to be here. That's what I told you. Because what did I told you? I told you, look with me here, what you seeing? And look with me here, what you seeing? You see it now or no? Let's change in the color like that. What you seeing here? Here high, it came down low. Now it give you here another high. Now either from here we're going to fall down here, or it's going to come big volume and it's going to break up. But also here, from the day of that FTX collapse, there is no move, either up or either down. And people, they been with us, we show you when the monthly candle finished what the monthly candle indicating to you, and even the weekly candle. Now here, what should we do, guys? Still the same, nothing was changed like that. We need to wait in, either we're going to go up till here. If it's breaking up here, that the bottom, guys, and all that indicating that wake off market structure we show you. If it's not, it's going to come down and to break lower here. Also we're still waiting, guys. Everything is too clear? By the way, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Us, guys, every day putting for you 2 videos. One after European market close, and we analyze for you the stock market and the Bitcoin, everything in the 4 hours, and one after the daily candle finished, then we give you our analysis for next day, guys. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. But if you want to be notified more quicker, you need to join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go, guys, to see the coming news for tomorrow, for picture to be more clear to you. Here it is, the coming news, guys. As you see it, we don't got something special here. We got the interest rate decision for the Aussie, and that one is like the building permit of UK. Then we got that one of USA. Is something about the energy, but it will not affect the market too much, guys. And here we got, guys, the table. Also we saw it every day here. That one here, what it telling us, guys, here. Focus it with me here, what you see. Look here at that tree here. Look at the Dow Jones, look at the SP 500, and look at the Nasdaq, guys. What did you see? Everything is red today, guys. As you see it, everything is red. So should you buy? Not yet, guys. And that's what I told you. I told you in the last analysis, I told you it's going to fall down, and that's what it's showing. Plus here, our friend, the VIX, guys. What it's showing us? Us, we breaking 20 above, guys. We used to be 19, now we break it above. Us, we are near to 21, guys. Why? The scariness is getting higher, guys, about the Fed members, guys. Because you remember, people they been with us, what did I told you about unemployment rate? And the unemployment rate, it came, guys, negative. It came very bad. Why? What did I told you, guys? I told you the Fed, they're increasing that interest rate. They want the unemployment rate to reach between 4 and 5%. How much is it that month? It doesn't change. It's still 3.7, guys. So what that meant? If it was reached to 4%, well, that we said there is a pivot in the interest rate, that the Fed, it will not tight anymore. They will ease a little bit. But till now, us we seeing the unemployment rate, it doesn't falling down. It doesn't going up. So what that meant, guys? The Fed is going to increase interest rate by 0.75 or 0.50, because that's the goal, guys. The Fed, it's increasing the interest rate. Why? They increase interest rate for people to lose the jobs of them, and they go back and using that money to being safe, guys. That's a cycle of the market. That's what they want. The Fed, they want to take it off the money they print, because the Fed, they print a lot of money. They want to take it off from the market. So that's the cycle, guys. And that's why you see scariness here is getting higher here, because if you remember when the unemployment rate is coming, then I told you that one is the most important indicator in that month. I'm talking here about the people they being with us, people that just came now. I explain it a little bit now. So here, guys, it's showing it's going up. That's my scariness is getting a little bit higher now. It came down below 20, and also we said finally, but now it go back up. That's man, it's not yet, guys. We're still not yet in the bottom, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. And here, the dollar index, guys, what it's showing. We used to be 104. Now we are 105. As you see it here. All that it's indicating, guys, also we are not yet in the bottom. Picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into our indicators what the same for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, if you remember us, we enter from here. People they been with us for some time. That one when the FTX collapsed. Also we enter from here, and we got another entry from here. And what else we said when it's going to touch here, we're going to sell everything. Did it touch? No. Now what the view? As you see it, also we still sideways here, guys. Now either from here is going to fall down to touch that trend line here. Then after that we're going to see it going upward, or maybe from here we are going to go upward directly, guys. Everything is very simple, guys. There's nothing too hard. But here in the daily, guys, who's still controlling here? Forget about all the economical data told and about everything. Who's still controlling here? Here, pure technical analysis. Who's still controlling here in that zone? Is the bears, guys. There's no bulls yet in the market. Also, we're still in the bears control. So should you buy here? No, we need at least that one to break upwards, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 4 hours. By the way, yes, I know you are a subscriber. You smash the like button. I know you don't. So please pause the video, smash the like button, writing down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel with how to use can growing up. You done it. Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. What else we said, guys, here? Also, we enter from here. When we reach here, I told you to take some of the profit, yes or no? And I told you to move stop loss up. And what else we said here again? I told you here, we got a flag, yes or no? I told you if the Bitcoin came and breaking up here, you enter long. Did it break, guys? No. That the first scenario. The flag is here, guys. Look at it. It's going to give you a flag the same like how it happened here, guys. If you remember it here in that zone, it happened here, a flag like that. So now it's the same thing as you see it. Then also we're going to bring that line here and we will put it here again. But it doesn't break, guys. Also we still here, it's showing here a rejection. That for long, guys. For short, what did I told you? For us to enter short, if it give us a signal to enter short, what did I told you? We do it like that. We came here and we draw like that a channel, a up channel like that. That's what else we done. We tell you if it came and breaking down here or the down of that uptrend, we will enter short, guys. Here I'm talking here. If it's breaking here, we will enter short. How is going to break? A candle to start, a red candle. Let me change it. A red candle like here to start here and to close below here. So now us, guys, we're still in an uptrend. Nothing was changed. Why me I'm saying we're still in an uptrend? Look with me here. Forget about all that here. Forget about it. Make it like that. Just focus it with me here. What you saying? We're still in an uptrend, guys. Yes or no? Unless if it came and breaking here, the trend is going to change, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicators. What the same for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, what me I told you about it? I told you we got here a hidden divergence here. Yes or no? And I told you got even a divergence here in the top. I show you all those things, guys. And what did I told you? I told you not yet. All those divergence, not yet. What did I told you? I told you the most important is the price action. All those ones, they are just oscillators, guys. Now where we are? We are here in the trend line or that uptrend line. As you see it, how many times it's being touched, guys. Look here with me. Here, look here, and look now where we are. Now either from here is going to reverse and go back upward, or from here is going to break for us that zone as we got here in the middle, guys. So what the view now? The view is very simple. If it came upward here, a candle up and down here and close above here, and that indicator when the candle closes closing above here, it's indicating the market is reversing upward, guys. But if that one came down here and the candle closing below here, that zone here, it's indicating the market is going to fall down to the oversold area again, guys. And also where we're taking profit here. That's the power of our analysis, guys. If you are new here, just go back, watch 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 videos before the that one, and you're going to find all those analysis, guys. Also, we don't want to put the video here because that one, it's need a lot of editing, and us, analysis, you need to put it very quick. That way we don't doing a lot of editing to the videos, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for pictures to be more clear to you. That one here, also we enter when we used to be here at the oversold area. It came here to the overbought area. We said take profit, yes or no? Now what it's showing, guys, we are here at the overbought area. Level, we are in a very stronger level. Should you enter short? No, my friend, not yet. There is no price action there indicating for us to enter short. The only price action we have is that one. Look at that. It hasn't break down. It needs to break down, guys. If it's break down, yes, all that here, it just arresting. And that's what I tell it to you. I tell it to you before. What did I tell you? I told you need to make a close eye here if it's going to give us here a flag. Like that, then he will come and breaking down. I tell that to you before, guys. That way I told you now. Also we enter long, we're taking some profit because now we are not yet in the bottom, guys. So also we're profiting from those moves. We're making some profit. Now we're preparing. If it fall down, we will closing that buy order. And we will open a short order here and we will put for it the stop loss. Short orders always put stop loss. Then we're going to go with it again. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity for tomorrow. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. People, they been with us. They're making very nice money with us. We tell you from here, guys, enter long from here. Yes or no? Because we be like that. When it's breaking here, it went up till here. And what did I told you else, guys, we got here? I told you got here a flag like that. It's the same flag I show you in the 4 hours. For us here to enter long or short, what should we do, guys, here? Did we got any price action here? I don't see anyone there. Let's see our indicators, what they're saying, guys. For pictures to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, is it here at the oversold area. When we are at the oversold area, what we're looking for? People, they being with us. What we're looking for when we are at the oversold area. Just for buy opportunities. Yes or no? Did we got any price action here? Indication for us as we need to enter long, guys. Look with me here. What you seeing? You got a triangle, guys. If it came and breaking upward here, you enter long again because your indicator is the oversold area. Level, you are in a very stronger level because last time from here, also we push upward. Now you came back again down there. Now either from here, we're going to go back up. But if you enter long, guys, you need to put stop loss. Stop loss, where you need to put it here. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after European market close. Bye for now, guys.